Think about how much you spend each month. What if you could save more? Cutting down on expenses can free up money for your savings. Let's explore 10 easy ways to trim those monthly costs. First, analyze your budget. Write down all your expenses. This includes bills, groceries, and entertainment. Identifying where your money goes is crucial. Second, cancel unused subscriptions. Check for streaming services, gym memberships, or magazines. If you're not using them, let them go. This simple step can save you monthly. Third, cook at home more often. Eating out adds up quickly. Meal prepping can save both money and time. Plan your meals for the week and stick to your grocery list. Fourth, compare utility providers. Shop around for better rates on energy or internet. Even small savings can add up over time. Fifth, switch to generic brands. Many products have store brand alternatives. They often taste the same and cost less. Sixth, limit impulse buys. Avoid shopping out of boredom. Create a shopping list and stick to it. Seventh, use public transportation if possible. Gas, parking, and maintenance can be expensive. Biking or walking can also save money. Eighth, review insurance policies. Look for better coverage at a lower price. Compare rates from different companies for savings. Ninth, set limits on entertainment expenses. Choose free or low-cost activities. Explore local events or community gatherings for fun. Lastly, automate your savings. Set up a monthly transfer to your savings account. This encourages you to save without thinking about it. By following these 10 easy steps, you can significantly cut down on monthly expenses. The more you save, the more financial freedom you gain. Now take action! Start reviewing your budget today. Identify areas where you can cut back. Every little bit helps to build a brighter financial future.